today we are going to be making a crazy booger.
It's not a crazy booger, maybe in Spanish, but I don't know, I thought it would be fun to make Loco Mocos, and some of you may know what that is or may not, or may have heard of it. Yes, it does mean crazy booger, but growing up in Hawaii, we ate this as, you know, our comfort food, and we would go and get some after the beach or just, you know, whatever. But it's rice, hamburger patties, gravy, and a fried egg. So you will see me put everything together, and then we will show you what it should look like or could look like, whatever, however you want to do it. But I think it'll be something fun to do, and it's simple, it's quick if you can eat beef, eggs, and have white rice. And
it is delicious for something so simple.
Yeah, it is. It can be. So, okay, so what are we gonna start with? Well, my lovely assistant, I've asked him to make the rice.
Rice.
I would say go ahead and make like 3 cups.
3 cups?
Yeah, 3 cups. You're making too much noise. No, I'm kidding.
That noise ain't started yet.
Right. I'll put that back.
I'll just put it right there.
Okay.
Alright. There it is.
What are you doing?
I'm making rice.
No, you need to wash the rice. I've told you multiple times. Rinse it, drain it, rinse it again, and then drain it, and then measure it with your finger.
Oh, the finger thing?
Yes.
What are the numbers for? Never mind. Don't mess with an Asian in her rice. I know.
I'm still prepping some of the ingredients, so it's not a whole lot of stuff, but I'll go through it on here. But it's just to give it flavor, but my assistant, my lovely assistant, will be helping with most of the cooking. Don't look at me.
I ain't saying nothing. The finger trick. The finger trick.
It works perfect though.
It does. You want to explain to the people what the finger trick is if they don't know?
Well, you can measure 3 cups of rice in a rice cooker if you're using a rice cooker. Actually, you could use it on a pot on the stove, but it's whatever. We'll just use the example: 3 cups. 3 cups of rice, and you want to make the rice, or not the rice, the water level on top of the rice equal to the level of the rice from the pot to the top of the rice. I know that sounds a little confusing, but it's giving it equal parts for white rice. This is gonna go over there for the eggs for you to cook.
What's the butter for?
You're gonna cook it in butter.
Cook what?
You're gonna cook the eggs in butter.
Why can't we use something healthy like oil?
Because you're supposed to cook it in butter.
Okay,
That's just the way. Yeah, that's just the way it goes.
All right.
Okay, so in my bowl I already have 1 pound of ground beef. So can you get me the measuring cups, please?
The spoons or the cups?
The cups. Those are for liquid. The cups things are for dry.
These are measuring cups.
Well, I need half a cup of breadcrumbs, which is...
So these.
Yes. So is that what you meant? Like cups or spoons? Like
Yeah.
cups or spoons? These are measuring cups too.
No, they measure in cups.
We don't secretly god, maybe we're just tired.
How long we been married?
Or maybe we're old. I don't know.
How long?
Too long.
Too long. There's a video for that, by the way.
And then I'm gonna just put some salt and pepper, and then garlic. So
You done with these?
yeah. So this is just 1 pound of ground beef, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna just do salt and pepper to taste. Don't worry, this has a very small opening, so I didn't pour like the whole bottle in there. Pepper, and then I'm cheating today. I'm using the bottled minced garlic, but
Ain't nobody got time for that.
2 cloves, so we'll just do like that. You put that away. Oh shit, okay.
Garlic to taste. We like garlic.
So I'm using what I have. It says just like 1 small onion, but this is like a gigantic onion, so I'm gonna use half of this and dice it up. Do you like that?
Well, that should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then,
I'll get a small bag for that.
all right. Can you open that up for me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then the last thing is just 1 egg to kind of help bind everything together, because we're gonna make, you're supposed to make 4 patties, like quarter pound patties. But we're gonna make 3 patties because we don't want to make an extra one. Slap it.
Slap it. Slap my meat. No, wait, don't slap my meat. No.
Alright, so the burgers are, they're done. They're well done. That's how we like them. A little bit charred. So what we're going to do now is same pan on low heat. He has it as low as that burner will go. And then we'll transfer it to another one to simmer afterwards. But first things first is he's going to go ahead and put 2 cups of beef broth, which I've prepared, and he'll bring that to a boil.
Oh yeah!
And then to thicken it up, we're going to use I have 2 tablespoons of water in here, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Is it already boiling?
Yep.
Okay. So you're just going to mix the cornstarch and water together until it's completely mixed up, and then we'll add it to the pan with the beef broth. So I'll go pour it in there for him. Mix while I'm pouring. Yeah, just to.
Oh.
Oh, maybe you needed a whisk.
I got it.
And then we're gonna add some soy sauce. I have a little container for my soy sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. And we'll let that just simmer on simmer. Simmer on simmer.
Simmer on simmer.
And we'll start cooking the eggs. All right, so that happened way too fast. Our stove cooks at super high heat, so the gravy is simmering now, and now we're going to melt the butter in the pan. about 2 tablespoons, and we are gonna fry the egg, but it's gonna be over medium, or what's the other one?
Over easy.
Sunny side up. Over easy. Over medium, over easy. You want to make sure you have some yolk, because the yolk will give it more flavor to the overall dish with the gravy and the hamburger and the rice. So you should have some yolk in it, depending on how much yolk or how little. Cook it to your preference, but you want to have the yolk. So he's going to go ahead and cook that. Alright, so I have rice, the burger, and I have 2 eggs. I don't know if you can see that, but I wanted to show it to you before I put the gravy on. Alright, and then here is the final product. Lots and lots of gravy. So he's already tried some like he always does. So let's both try some now.
That was just the burger.
You want a spoon, fork? So you want to try to get like a little bit of gravy, egg, meat, and rice in one bite if you can. It's possible. So, okay, hold on. I'm trying.
Bon appetit.
Everything's hot. It's hot.
It's hot. Oh, it's good. It's always good. All right, guys.
Delicious.
That concludes another episode. Thanks for sticking around. Definitely try this. This is a great dish. Fast if you're not filming it, but really good. But yeah, we're gonna go eat this delicious meal because this is our dinner and we're starving, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.